I'm Gemma from Retell, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the 157 connector. The 157 connector is suitable for recording from corded telephone handsets to cassette or digital recorders, as well as PCs or laptops. This is how to install the 157 connector. First, unplug the handset curly cable from the base of the handset. This is called the RJ9 socket. Plug the clear telephone clip that you've just unplugged into the opening end of the 157 connector. You'll then need to plug the telephone clip of the 157 connector back into the RJ9 socket of your telephone handset. Then plug the 3.5mm male jack into the line-in socket on the sound card of the PC or the microphone socket on a laptop. Please note that you'll require recording software using our 157 connector with PCs. We supply 2 different versions. Please contact Retell for details. Why not have a look at our other installation videos for our range of connectors? We also have videos on our call recording and call management solutions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful.